Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. I have been kind of tossing this makeup look around for a few weeks now, maybe even a month or so. But I've seen it pop up like so many times this season, so I'm not really sure like why everybody's picking this face paint to do. But I want to recreate what's his face? Beetlejuice. Um, it was a movie that we loved growing up. My sister especially loved Beetlejuice. So it was just one of those funny Tim Burton-esque movies, and it was just comical, and Michael Keaton was amazing, and yeah. So I'm gonna do Beetlejuice makeup. I don't care if at me. I don't care, Beach. Don't care. But anyways, if you're interested in watching me come up with another Halloween look, then keep watching. Okay, I'll mute
You
myself.
forgot to mention it's a collaboration.
Side note, I forgot to mention that this is a collaboration with my best good Judy, Miss Evelina here on YouTube, and I will link you her video so that you can go back and watch what she's come up with. So,
Thank
again,
you!
again, keep watching. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I drew an Adam's apple. Who knew I could do that? But I was actually telling Evelina that I feel like I'm in drag right now because I've put on a 5 o'clock shadow. I've got a mustache, got a beard, got it running down my neck a bit. So yeah, this didn't take any time at all. The only thing that I'm kind of questioning is putting the magnificent metals on the eyelids in the purple, but it kind of girlies it up a bit, even though I've gone and done the 5 o'clock shadow. But whatever, we're not judging. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Check out Evelina's video where she is doing the other half of the collaboration. I'll make sure to link her channel down in the description. Please go check her out. She is so talented, so talented, and just one of the nicest people I've ever met. But don't tell her I said that. So, anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you soon. Bye!